Stop wasting money on ads. The number one mistake killing your profits. Fix this now. Before we start, hey, real quick, if you're running paid ads and not seeing the results you want, I've got something that'll help big time. I'm talking about plugging the biggest leak in your ad spend so you can stop burning cash and start making real money. The links to fix this, they're waiting for you down below in the video description box. But don't click just yet. I'm about to break down the exact problem that's draining your ad budget dry and what you can do to fix it today. So stick with me for the next couple of minutes. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Why your ads are draining your wallet faster than a leaky faucet. Let me ask you something. If you walked into a casino, handed the dealer your entire ad budget, and walked out without even playing, how would you feel? Pretty damn stupid, right? Well, I hate to break it to you, but if you're running Google ads, Facebook ads, or Bing ads the wrong way, you might as well be doing the exact same thing. And no, it's not because your product sucks. It's not because your audience doesn't want what you're selling. It's because your ad spend is leaking like a busted fire hydrant and you don't even see it. Here's the harsh truth. Most businesses waste at least 50 to 90% of their ad spend. Think about that. If you're spending $5,000 a month on ads, up to $4,500 of that could be completely wasted. The 3 reasons your ads aren't making you money. Mistake number 1, you think more traffic equals more sales. Most people believe that lie, that if they just get more people to their website, they'll start making money. Here's what actually happens. You pay for clicks, people land on your site, they stare at your homepage like a deer in headlights, then they leave forever. That's not marketing, that's setting money on fire. Mistake number 2, you're sending traffic to a dead end. Your homepage is not a sales page, it's like a hotel lobby. It's nice to look at, but it doesn't tell people what to do next. If your visitors don't know where they'll go, they'll bounce faster than a bad first date. Mistake number 3, you have no clue who's visiting your site. Right now, 98% of the people who land on your site leave without a trace. No email, no phone number, no way to follow up. Imagine owning a store where hundreds of people walk in every day, browse around, and then leave without buying a thing. And you never even know who they were. That's what's happening to your website right now. So how do you fix it? Listen, I've put together a quick, no BS guide that breaks this all down for you step by step. Inside, you'll discover the number 1 mistake killing your ad budget. Hint, it's not your targeting. How to track exactly who's landing on your site, and how to stop losing 98% of your visitors. It's a proven system that turns ad clicks into customers without increasing your budget. And here's the best part. I've got 2 secret tools that'll help you fix this mess almost instantly. But I'm not going to pitch them here. Just check out the link in the video description below and see for yourself. It is well worth your time. So if you're sick of watching your ad dollars disappear, don't just sit there and hope things get better. Fix it. The link's down below. Click it, read it, save yourself a ton of money and time. Or, keep giving free money to Facebook and Google. It's your call. I'll see you there.